Watch the line there. All right, bring the next one down. All right, keep moving. Steady now, watch your footing. Keep moving forward. Watch the gap there, pull him to the right. Steady, easy now. Gates are closed. Bring the next group through pathway alpha. Copy that, moving them now.
Gate is clear, sending the next group through now. Stand by on the far side.
Based on the data here, the automated feeding schedule is working efficiently.
And the water consumption levels confirm their healthy status.
They seem to like this batch of fodder. Intake is up 20%.
Good. The nutritional density is optimal this week.
We need to make sure this section is topped off before we move to the next aisle.
Got it. Looks like they cleared the last batch fast.
Getting a clear image here on the left side.
Confirmed. Measurements are within range.
Vitals are stable. Record the ear tag scan and note the lack of swelling.
Confirmed, doctor. Data uploaded.
Bring the next one forward.
Initiating scan sequence. Data looks clear.
Status check confirms. Bull 45991 is cleared.
Physical looks good too. Ready for the next lane.
Scan complete. Tag 0557 is clear.
Good. Record the clearance.
Done. Moving to the next animal. All right, bring it across. Closing the gate now. Watch your hands. Send the next batch down when you're ready. All right, sending them now.
one is clean, ready for the belt?
Yeah, good.
Okay, I'll get to it after this one.
Keep it steady, guide it to the right. Okay, lowering the load now.
The saturation looks uneven here.
We might need to adjust the flow rate on the sprayer.
According to the specs, the moisture content should be lower by this stage.
Agreed. Let's adjust the conveyor speed slightly and recheck in 5 minutes.
Are these within tolerance?
Yes, they look perfect. Continue the run.
The improvements in organization here are clear. This new system ensures that our quality checks are thorough before anything moves to production.
Bill of lading confirmed. Did the scan match the purchase order?
Yes, the scan is complete and verified. We are clear for final dispatch.
The variance report shows a dip in Unit 7 output.
Copy that. Initiating flow stabilization sequence now.